Is right now the perfect time to buy the target stock? And where could the price be going next? Those are the questions we're going to be answering in this video, and we're going to answer the first question: is now the perfect time to buy, by using this Fibonacci retracement tool. So looking at the price, we can see that from around this low, price went up to this high before we started seeing this huge retracement. So if we draw the Fibonacci tool from this low up to this high, we get something that looks like this. And the way this works is when prices start retracing, they tend to find support at these Fibonacci levels. And we can see that the price of target is getting close to this support level. This level is $105. It's very close to the current price. We have seen strong support around this area before, and it is also a Fibonacci level, both of which increase the likelihood that the price will find support at this level again and bounce back up, making it an ideal area where you might want to consider placing an entry. So that's the entry side of things. However, getting a good entry is only the first step. It's equally important to have a good exit strategy in place, and we can get an exit strategy using this Fibonacci extension tool. But before we dive into that, you might be wondering whether I'm currently holding the target stock or if I'm planning to invest in it. And the answer is the large majority of my portfolio is built around a strategy that tracks trades made by US politicians. This is because investing alongside key politicians is the most profitable strategy I've found in the stock market. Over the years, it has delivered returns that blow every other strategy completely out of the water, so I mostly only invest when key politicians are involved. If you are curious about how I do this and how you can do it too, I've put together a free video explaining how I find the most profitable trades, and I also go through the returns of this strategy over the past 3 years. The link to this video is in the description below, so feel free to check that out if you're interested. So coming back to the Fibonacci extension tool, if we do something similar to before, going from this low up to these highs, and this time if we pull it down to where this retracement has ended, we get something that looks like this. And the way this works is as the price starts climbing up, it tends to find resistance around these Fibonacci levels. And knowing this, investors using this tool like to lock in some of their profits around these areas, which puts them in a good position to buy back at a discount if the price retraces. So what are some areas where we might see some significant resistance and where you might want to consider locking in some profits? The first level is around here. This is $206. The level above this is $230. And finally, this level is $266. So locking in some profits as the price climbs up to these levels could be an exit strategy you might want to consider. I will be making update videos as the price gets to these key levels, so if you'd like to stay up to date, consider subscribing to the channel. Also, if you found this video helpful, consider dropping a like on the video as that helps out the channel a lot. It's also worth mentioning I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Please make sure you do your own research and your own analysis before you make any investment decisions. That brings us to the end of the video. If you'd like to learn how to profit like a politician, the link to the free video explaining everything is in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.